Okay, this is just a quick test for the scripting for the elevator here. You see, this is a the last version that we had of the library. I haven't actually brought in the new Maya file yet, so I'm just using the last working version, and I've used some basic kind of Unity assets like cubes, whatever. And I've reused some of my doors. Unfortunately, I've used the doors open outwards, so it's a bit weird on an elevator. But you can see all the rest, like the call button, they're all squares, whatever. Um, yeah, so this is just a scripting example. I'm glad I did this test. I've got about 9 scripts here, like one for each set of doors and on the buttons and so forth. So it's a bit of a swine. So it's a good job I actually worked this out beforehand before I brought in the decent ones. You know, the next version will actually be the proper Maya version with new desk, pillars and railings, and a proper elevator that's not made of opening doors. But for now, this just as a scripting test, this actually works quite nice. It should do. I spent long enough. But you press the call button and it opens the elevator from downstairs. The ground floor has elevator doors opening outwards, whereas the second and third, first and second floors have the doors opening inwards. So we've got buttons on both sides, up, down, both work the same. If we click the up button, those doors will open, those doors will close, sorry, and it will go up, and those doors will close, will open. So come out of there, those doors automatically close. I put a collision box inside the actual elevator so that it knows when you step out of it. Even though I'm not actually in there, you can still see the buttons and stuff because I haven't built any walls. If we call that, you can see it come back down again. There we go. So if we just ride up one more time, honestly I could play with this all day. It's quite nice to actually step out though and actually see the workings from the side, because I can actually press these buttons. That will actually go up to the next floor. You can see the doors opening there. I can't reach the buttons to bring it back, but I can reach this button. So it's quite nice to see those doors close. Slides all the way down to that one. I can call it from here. I'll go up to the next floor, open those. Next floor, close those. You get the idea. All basically works. Obviously it needs call buttons on the first and second floor. Apart from that, that's a couple more lines in the script. It'd just be a variation on this call button. You can see that it all works. If I get in at the second floor, I can show you how the weight system works. I get in here and press that button to go down. You see, as soon as I step out, doors will close. Perfect.